Hi, this is Matthew. Welcome to Paper Trading with Matthew. Today we'll discuss about two indices. One is MIDCaPNIFTY and BANKEX. So if you look at, to start with the BANKEX, I've used a Bollinger Band and also MACD. This is a daily time frame. It's almost at the top of the band and the Bollinger Band curve. Ideally, if you look at whenever it comes at the top, it has a fall. Look at all the past data. Whenever it goes at the top, definitely it comes down, top, down, top, down. Whenever it touches the top, it has a tendency to come back to its average. This blue line, that's the average of the Bollinger Band. So, so if you look at this, there's a fall here because it went almost close to the Bollinger Band and it has a tendency to come near the average. If it falls down, it will touch the lower band. If it touches and goes above, it stays above this Bollinger Band. I have also drawn a trend line, and if you look at the trend line, when it touched the trend line, went up. So the trend line becomes the support. So if we change this to from monthly, from a daily to hourly, you can have a clear look here. This is how the trend line comes to. Okay, so this is somewhere close to 57,600 and okay 700, like that, keeps on changing. So this is a good support. Beyond this fall, you can go for buying a put or short a call. As simple as that. Again, if you look at a lower down time frame, can go to 30 minutes. Look at this. MACD shows the red line is crossing the blue line. That means the tendency is to go down until unless the blue line crosses the red line. Ideally, by default, what you get in MACD is 26 by 12, I think, something like that. But I've changed to 5 to 12. This is what I follow, and it gives me 70 to 80% success because this gives a correct indication when to go short and when to go long. This is what is the analysis for BANKEX. Okay, trend line and wait for this band. If it comes close to this lower band, see, whenever there's a lower band, it went up. Lower band went up. Remember that lower band went up. Let me put it in a 1 hour or a 15 minutes time frame. Okay, let's go with 15. Same. Okay. Whenever the band gets squeezed, becomes small, tendency to go up or down becomes more eminent, becomes very clear. Band outside the band comes back within the range. See, this is what happens. You can keep this Bollinger Band curve and use it for intraday plays. You can use a 5 minutes. 5 minutes also works the same way. It came down, but came inside the Bollinger Band. Whenever it goes touches up, comes back. Touches up, definitely came back. See that? Went up, touch, stay there, came back. Bollinger Band works like that. It's pretty well. Success rate is 70%. You can use this along with MACD. So if two of the things gives confirmation, okay, remember this. Let me draw a vertical line here, okay? So you understand what I'm saying. Let me draw a vertical line. It touched the Bollinger Band here on the top, right? See, I draw a line. It touched the Bollinger Band here, right? Okay, it touched the Bollinger Band here. Look at what does a MACD tell you. The red line is crossing the blue line. That means go short. Look at here. Even though it's a green line, the red line touched, but it's again slowly going up. That means go short. So as I told you, 70 to 80%, it really works well. Even though it's a green candle here, see, it's a green candle here. Again, a green candle here. But after that, see, the red takes over, right? So it's a pretty good confirmation for you to go short when the red line crosses the blue line. But ensure you use 5 and a 12, fast length 5 and slow length 12. Okay, that's how it should be. All right, let's go with mid cap nifty now. Even in mid cap nifty, if you look at a daily time frame, there's a good trend line going. So this trend line becomes a support. If it breaches the support, go short. So it's still following, touching the trend line, taking the support and going up. It's all you have. A little scope is there to touch the BB line, the Bollinger Band line. So wait for it. If it touches, definitely. You can also see here the same pattern. You can see that same thing happens whenever it touches the higher end of the Bollinger Band. Tendency is to come down. Goes crossed here, but definitely came down. Eventually comes whenever it crossed too much high, came back heavily down. All right, so ensure that they are, if it goes beyond, that means they are trapping all the retailers to go long here. That's when they short and they make money. Simple as that. And there's a trend line. Let's go to a 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame, let's see this. All right, this is how time frame is there. If you have to look at somewhere here as close to 13,000, I would say here 13,065 becomes the support. 13,000 comes close to it, go long. If it touches the, see, whenever it touch the Bollinger Band on the higher side, it tendency is to come down, right? So that's how to play. And look at the MACD also. Okay, let me draw again a line, show it to you so that it becomes more clear. Let me draw a vertical line. Look at here. There, here red line. Okay, before this, even here I would say, see this red line is almost going up, green line, the blue line is going down, goes short. Again, when it went long, see here, which line is this here? The green line. So red line, you cannot, but green one, yes, definitely crossed. Here, okay, let me go. You will be more confirmed here, right? So let me put it here. Can't move. But can I? Okay, let me put it here. So more confirmation you got. It went up, up, up. Okay, that's it. You have to play. Similarly, when you even look at here also, you will get information when to go short, when to go long. See here, it's already telling that the market may fall even at this green candle because the red candle crossed the blue line. Tendency is to fall. This is how you can play intraday using a MACD and Bollinger Band. 70 to 80% success. Only thing, you have to hold on to your nerves. If the chart says and the Bollinger Band and the MACD says that okay, you have to go short, go short. Even though you look at a candle which is going green, don't worry about it. Put a stop loss and stay there. Okay. Oh, fair enough. All right. So I've covered both mid cap nifty and BANKEX both. They have a trend line. Look at the trend line. If this trend line breaches, only then go short. Otherwise, do not go short. The market is buy or sell on rise, and now the market is not sell on rise. It is buy on dip. I was not getting the word. So it's clear, buy on dip. Whenever you get a dip, please buy. Sell on rise has not come at the present, even though the market is at a pretty high. All right. Even if you look at the option chain for BANKEX, a huge call rating at 59,000. Okay, and you have another immediate at 58,500, a good put writing at 58,000. So 58,000 becomes the base. 58,000, if the market comes close to 58,000, you can go long. And if it breaches 58,500, you can definitely go long. Okay, and if it comes close to 58,000, wait and watch. If it's going down or it's going up, wait and watch, because this is definitely first time it cannot break easily. So you can play for a small scalp trading for short side. In the same way, if you look at mid cap nifty, you a lot of call writers have no, left 13,100. So now the call writing is heavy at 13,200, 13,150. There's a put writing is there. If 13,150 is breached, 13,000, 1,300, it can come to 1,300, 100, 1,300, 100. Definitely you can go for a long, because there are good put writers, very strong put writers at 1,300. I've already shown you here, like somewhere here, if it comes 1,300, okay, 1,375. Okay, 1,375. Let's see, 1,375. Yeah, close to between this 1,375. Yeah, here. Definitely you can go for a buy side. That's it for now. Keep liking, keep sharing, and keep subscribing. Thank you very much and have a blessed day. Bye bye for now.